Hi, how to make quick flaky pastry. Very simple, very quick to do. For the pastry dough, you need the following 3 ingredients: 265 grams of all-purpose flour, 133 grams of cold water and 62 grams of olive oil. First of all, in with the flour, then the water, and last but not least, the olive oil. Bring this all together, bringing the flour down from the side of the bowl. That's the dough part of this flaky pastry recipe made now. Turn it out onto a worktop or a pastry sheet. Just bring it together, wrap it in cling film and into the fridge for minimum 20 minutes, longer if need be. Now for the second part of the flaky pastry. 217 grams all-purpose flour and 123 grams of olive oil. Just straightforward, mix these 2 ingredients together, which you will then mix in layers into the pastry dough. When it's all mixed well, it should have a consistency very much like peanut butter. Put it onto a well-floured worktop, flour the rolling pin. Take it out to a rough rectangular shape. Now take some of the oil and flour mix and spread it onto roughly a third onto the one end. Turn this end over onto itself so the mixture is covered, and put another layer of mixture onto that. And then bring the opposite end over onto that. Start to roll out again, keeping flour on the rolling pin and on the pastry sheet. Roll it out into a rectangular again. And you now fold this 3 times and then roll it like a Swiss roll. Cover with cling film and into the fridge.